got that on video.
You gotta make sure you put it in park, brother.
Yeah, you think? Would you have her in neutral?
No, I put it in reverse. I didn't click it all the way over.
Oh man. What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel, or if you're new here, welcome to the channel. This is a channel all about diesel trucks, but with that being said, make sure if you are new, you hit that subscribe button, you give this video a big thumbs up, turn on that bell notification if you can, because I know people have been having trouble with it, and leave a comment for your boy. But today we have a really big schedule. We're going back over to Lane's house. If you don't know who Lane is, I put a video out a while ago, and it's of us timing Lane's 460 big block. And we are going back to that same truck today, but we're doing the steering this time. So we're converting it. Well, we'll get into the whole thing when we get over there. But we're gonna be going over there. I've got some really big news, guys. I got some big changes coming for the truck. There's 2 paint match things. Tomorrow's video that I'm gonna film that you guys will see in a couple weeks. The video that I'm filming tomorrow is all about Jolene. We're going to be taking some stuff off of her to send a paint match, and we're going to be hopefully getting some stuff here in the next couple weeks from paint match, from powder coat, and maybe we'll go get the truck tinted if we can. So my buddy Tyler, the guy with the Harley Davidson 6.0, he has an AirDog 165 on his truck right now. He also had an AirDog 150 that he never used. So we will hopefully be getting this put on because he gave me the AirDog. Like, I got it. It's mine. It's in there. It's like, look, there's an AirDog. So that will be going on the truck, and hopefully we'll be getting our fuel pressure just right, getting this beast fed the way she needs to be fed. Without further ado, we're gonna head over to Lane's, and I will catch y'all when we get there. Okay guys, so we made it to Lane's house. We just pulled up. I don't know about you guys, but there's 77 in that driveway right now. So we're gonna go check out, figure out where the truck is and get started on the work, I guess. Sound great since we messed with her. Yeah. So we found out where the truck was hiding. Lane just put it in the garage, put it in the garage, and now I guess we're gonna start ripping apart this front end, getting this big old beefy front end done up. So basically we're replacing all of that, because that's what, the Y steering?
Yeah.
And we're going to a T steering.
See how it makes a Y?
Oh yeah.
I'm already tired.
What have you done today?
Nothing.
Yeah, we know you haven't done anything. Alright guys, I guess it's time to start tearing down this truck and get to work. We have to pull out the jack and the jack stands now because, hey, do you want these 6 tons or the 4 tons? Oh, that's a big spider. That is a scary big spider. Not a real big fan of spiders. So, there's that. But, oh, here are replacement parts, which I wanted to show you guys earlier. But, like I was saying, we have to jack up the front end, just take the wheels off and make it easier to get
Where's my goddamn tire iron?
These tie rods off. But this is the T-style, yeah?
Yeah.
So this is the new T-style that they make for these dent sides. So we're going to be installing this today. And he's got a new pitman arm to install with whatever all that is. Some Moog tie rod ends. And obviously your T-style steering. But what we got going on over here, so we got everything, all the nuts are taken off on this steering, but we just need to pickle fork everything out.
Is there a way I can
Pull
hit
all
stop?
this out. What's that?
Is there a way I can hit stop and whatnot?
Hey, you got a tire iron?
I don't.
No.
Like that way.
Isn't it just a 3/4 socket?
I think so.
Probably got that.
So if you want to stop recording, you just hit the red button.
Alright.
It'll stop it, and then if you hit it again, it'll start it.
Okay. I just don't want to sit here and waste time and stuff.
Yeah. So that's what I used to vlog on. But I switched over to my phone because my phone's a little bit smaller and it's a little bit easier to hold. And since my other tripod broke, it's really hard. That thing gets really heavy really quick. Taking these tires off. Should be what, a 19?
Yep.
See? I know my lugs. That's for sure.
Well, those are 21s.
Yeah,
My BMWs are 19s.
Yeah.
These are 19.
We're looking for my extension.
But I just looked at these and I was like, oh, those are...
We got an extension.
I got an impact socket, dog.
Oh yeah, I forgot, man. You gotta use that peasant way of doing things.
Jack it up more.
Alright guys, so we got the new Pitman arm in. We have the bottom
Hold that.
tie rod ends in. And right now we are connecting, yes, your drag link. That's because I need a new one of those on my truck. So we're putting the drag link in, and then what, you think we should be done soon? We will be done soon, lady. Lane's wife she loves to think that everything, well, I mean, guys do have a really bad habit of saying it's not going to take that long, and then in reality it takes that long. I don't know if I would go so far as to say 7 hours, but it does take a while. But like I showed you guys, we got everything in. We got the old parts right there, that nasty Y setup that Ford came out with. Yeah, we fixed that. So we're gonna button all this up, get the tires back on, and we'll catch you guys then. Okay guys, so we just cleaned up and finished up putting on the drag link. We have the alignment eyeballed for the most part. Now we just gotta tighten everything up and send it. I mean, this setup just looks way cleaner than what it used to. Just the lines match up a lot better with his drag link and his track bar, and just the straight shot from tie rod end to tie rod end is beautiful. So, you happy?
Oh.
Well, Mr. Man over here just broke our tripod. It's all right though, he bought it, so.
Tire fell on it, so. And then this happened.
Well, we're gonna tighten this up, and once the truck is back together, I will catch back up with you guys. Okay guys, so we got everything all buttoned up, and it looks way better than it did when we first started this thing, like 2 hours ago. So it really didn't take that long. We've been messing around with the old Danger Ranger. There's Bo. Messing around with the old Danger Ranger. We got it running and moved out of its spot that it was in from the last time I was here making a video. On that truck, ironically. The alignment is pretty spot on. I mean, it's got a little bit of camber, but... So we said goodbye to all this and put all that new stuff in there. sounding minty.
What?
Said she sounds minty.
Yeah.
Dude, I got that on video.
You gotta make sure you put it in park, brother.
Yeah, you think? Would you have her in neutral?
No, I put it in reverse. I didn't click it all the way over.
Oh, man. So, we got the truck done. I mean, now we just need to get it on some different wheels. Get the paint fixed up. Should be minty. So, that's what I'm going to leave you guys in this video. Please, if you liked what you watched, hit that subscribe button. It doesn't cost you a damn thing. Go over, hit that bell notification if you can. If not, I'm trying to fix it. Please bear with me. Leave a comment and leave a big thumbs up on this video, especially because of Lane and his beautiful F-150. You guys do what you do the best, and I will catch y'all on the flip side.